Microsoft is holding this channel pretty well right now. We have what can be counted as 5 waves off the low. If we get 3 waves up and then a breakdown below the channel, the blue count and the green count is off the board. Not the blue count. The green count is off the board. And the only thing left is blue, major top or phenomenal buying opportunity. And so what's going to determine that is 1, 2, 3 into like one of our target zones, and then it turns back up, or 1, 2 major breakdown, 3, 4, 5. That's what's going to determine, what's playing out. But right now, pretty strong selling pressure, and we have what can be counted as a 5-wave move off that high. So what's going to matter is what do we get on the bounce? Is it going to be 3 waves? Is it going to be 5 waves? If it's 5 waves, then we're probably going to do a double top, if not higher, in this green count. And that's valuable information because you know about where you want to take some gains.